Hey, what's going on out there? Have y'all been noticing that the quests that has, they give us every week, twice a week, Monday through Thursday, and then Friday through Sunday, that the amounts that they're offering for the rides have been dropping? And what the heck happened to the Lyft challenges and 3 ride streaks? I don't know. Let's get into it. So y'all know how I do. I open up my apps on the phone. Right, there you go. I think you guys can see that pretty good. Yeah, it's maxed out. So you remember down here, you get your weekly goal, your rider points thing, if that's what you're interested in, right? But it used to be right in this area. You would know if you had a challenge, maybe 10 rides, an extra $15, 20 rides, an extra $30. I haven't seen one of those in 3-4 months. Also, when you clicked on your schedule, you would see maybe 3 ride streaks, for $9, $12, $15. All that's gone. All of that is now gone. Also, if you're someone who refers drivers, right? This used to be $800. Now it's down to $350. And don't pay attention to this because this is all the people that have been rejected or whatever. So it's not that I got 4,800 pending. That needs to be updated. Anyway, the point is they're not there anymore. On Uber, hold on, let me get back over here. Bear with me. On the driver app, in your opportunities, right? Click the 3 bars, go to opportunities. So they had this one quest out here. It's over 2 weeks, right? For $100. Do 100 trips, get $100. It's $1 extra a ride. It's kind of like not worth chasing. Okay, I don't know why this is doing that, but let's try this again. Back into opportunities. But this is the other thing right here. These are the weekly quests, right? For the week, this week right now, they wanted me to do 50 trips to earn an extra $35. 70 trips for an extra $45. Like, what the hell's going on here? I don't know why that's doing that. This absolutely makes no sense. I don't know what's going on. Promotions. Ooh, what's airports? That's new. See, we just discovered something together. So I guess if there are airport trips or bonuses at the airport, I guess that's what that's for. I know that last one over here is just reservations. Interesting. We just learned something together. Never saw that before. So I'm just trying to figure out where the hell all that went to. I have an answer, I believe. But before I get into that, I don't know if you know these guys. I can never say his name right, so I always call him Kush Numanov. He's a driver out in LA, and he's renting a black Suburban, so he can do Uber Black and Uber Black SUV out there. But listen to this from his video yesterday real quick.
I wanted to share the week that I would say, what the F is happening with the business?
Right? And then you got my boy Eddie out in Austin.
The quests haven't been doing that good, so I haven't been really doing too many deliveries, like 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 deliveries or so.
So if you know Eddie and you watch his videos, he's the guy renting the Tesla. I did a channel review on him before. I'll post it up if you guys want to see it. And I mean, he's got a strategy that works. I mean, this guy, he's putting in the hours in the rental, but he's averaging between $1,600 and $2,000 a week. True hustler. But part of his strategy is with deliveries. And you just heard him say the quests have not been good. So for him, it's not been worth chasing. With Kush out here, he's just strictly black, Uber Black. He does a little bit of Lyft, doesn't have a lot of success with Lyft. Maybe they're not as busy out there. But I'm just saying, like, where did the quests go? Where did the extra go to? Well, I know you guys don't like getting into the trading stuff. It's neither here nor there. But I'm going to bring it down for you anyway. And let's just go into Lyft real quick. All right. On the daily, right? I know there's a lot here. Just give me a second. See where their stock is? Stock is way down, even though they had good earnings again. And it's the same thing for Uber, right? They're trying to make money. That's one reason. Uber is still way down here. Again, today below $30, even when they broke above it. And then the other thing, too, is the economy. The economy is killing us. And I think people have really pulled back on their fun time, their expendable income. And unfortunately, that includes us. So, all I can say is I'll tell you what I've been doing. I'm only going out when I know there's rides, when I know people are moving. And even on some of those days, it's not that great. Last week, I went and worked the airport Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. Because even at the port for cruise ships on Saturday morning, I only got one request. Only one. So it's tough out there. I'm telling you, they're not giving us nothing. You got to be smarter, work a little better, and just do what you can do. All right, housekeeping. Hit the sub buttons, hit the like buttons. I appreciate it. The channel is growing. And maybe I'll be back tonight with a live stream. Today is Wednesday, August 24th. Depends. I'm going to try to work a little bit. And if I can get back by 9 o'clock, we'll do a live stream. All right. Peace out.